subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about OnePlus new earbuds. OnePlus is continually seeking new ways to deliver unique and stylish designs with its products, sometimes experimenting with textures and materials you won't find in other manufacturer lineups. Just as a major software update is rolling out to the OnePlus Buds Pro, it is also releasing a new design of their true wireless earbuds inspired by the illustrious mithril armor from the Lord of the Rings series. Two-tone style of the original colorways, matte black and glossy white. The mithril variant uses a single metallic coating from top to bottom. The coating is made from a non-conductive vacuum metallization technology that resembles the shiny look of chrome and maintains a fingerprint-resistant finish. While the coating is supposed to look and feel like metal, it's also lightweight and shouldn't interfere with any of the normal operations of the buds. Means the stems can be squeezed to control playback and calling functions, and the Bluetooth signal should have the same range and fidelity of the other two colors. Otherwise, all of the other specs and features remain the same as the model. Middle-earth inspired buds seem to be limited to release in China, and they launched with a very brief promotional price of $110. But they almost immediately rose to the standard retail price of $125 to match the two other colors. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.